How to use credits on Mulebuy. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to be able to use any available credits they have in Mulebuy. First is run any web browser available on your end, but on this video I'm using Google Chrome. Head straight to mulebuy.com's official website and make sure that you're logged in. Now, going to the top right, which is going to be your profile icon, choose on My Base. Now click on Balance, and this is where you can actually see the current balance that you have on your credits, bonus cash, coupons, and as well as points. For you to be able to use them, just simply purchase any product available on Mulebuy right here. Click the product that you would like to buy using your credits and simply change the payment method into credits. Make sure that you have sufficient amount of credits so that the payment will go through. And that is how you use credits on Mulebuy.